Hi and welcome. My name is Rich Bassini. Today is December 25th, 2019. Thank you for tuning in. I just want to start off by saying thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It is greatly appreciated. I hope you like the content. You come back for more. And I just want to also say that thank you for checking out my videos. And going forward for the new year, I will be doing other content. I will be adding different content to this channel. I know a lot of you are probably wondering what content I'm going to be adding. It's going to be a little bit of everything. I'm kind of like going to trade up a little on the topics I talk about. Maybe do some in the news and talk about other things outside of reselling. Not that I'm going to give up on reselling altogether. I still will be doing the reseller news, and I still will be doing Let's Talk eBay. So I just wanted to let you guys know that for the new year coming up, that there will be some changes to this channel, and I do hope that you guys will like it and you will keep coming back for more. And for those of you who are visiting, or if you hit the channel for the first time, I just want to say welcome to the channel. While you're here, I hope you could explore, check out my other videos. I do videos on how-tos, do-it-yourself, and I talk a little about everything. I can't go through all of them because there's over 1,000 videos. To be honest with you, I didn't think I was going to meet that threshold for this year. Just to share that with you really quick. I thought, to be honest with you, that it was going to go into the new year, but I was able to get that done, and I'm really proud of myself. That was one threshold I met outside of meeting the thresholds that YouTube had put on for the new changes that came up, where you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers in order to have your channel monetized. So yes, I didn't meet that threshold. I met the 4,000 hours, but I'm still working on my subscriber base, and I'm hoping as time goes on that more and more people will discover my channel, and they will get an idea of what I'm all about, and they'll keep coming back for more. Like I said again, my channel, for all intents and purposes, is a very diversified channel. I do want to help, inspire, and share, and that's why I do share information through social media, which I feel is the best way to go about getting the information out there. And we could do that by many different channels. We could do it with Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, of course YouTube, and there are other methods to do it as well, to get the word out there and to share your experiences. A lot of people who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you may be thinking about doing something along the line, but you're unsure of it. My take in that is, if you're going to start a YouTube channel, just be original, be real, tell it like it is, and follow your dreams and passions. Don't let the naysayers say nay. And if you do have people out there that are against your idea of starting a YouTube channel, don't let it distract you. I thought the same thing when I first started my YouTube channel back in the day. I didn't know what to do videos about, and I think a lot of us who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel are very baffled at times. They don't know what to do. But in regards to starting a YouTube channel, as I said it once before, follow your dreams and passions, whatever it may be. If you are a person that wants to start a channel in regards to baking or cooking, or maybe you're a photographer and you want to talk more about photography, or maybe you're a gamer, you want to start a gaming channel, you may want to point down that direction. Myself, like I said, I want to keep my channel, for all intents and purposes, an open forum, and I want to keep it very diversified. However, from some of the subscribers I follow, well, actually the people that I do follow on YouTube, they will tell you sometimes that it's best off to stick with one particular niche or a topic, so to speak, and follow through with it. And there's nothing wrong with that there, but I want to keep it, I want to keep it an open forum, and I want to keep it a diversified channel. I think diversity is good. Like they always say, spice is the variety of life. So therefore, I do want to do different things with my channel going forward for the new year. And if you guys out there have any comments or you want to make any suggestions, I'm always open to them. If you got any, if you want to share your information with me, like, as far as like, what do you think I should do? I'm always willing, like I said, to listen to what people have to say. And I do read my comments, and I do respond to them as long as they're nice. So I just want to say thank you again for the people who supported me by subscribing. As you know, my channel is not monetized, and I don't have no Patreon accounts where people can support my channel. But for the most part, by being, you guys just being subscribers, lets me know that, you do like the content. But anyway, guys, keep it real. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.